Welcome to Larry Under Pressure. In today's video, Larry will be demonstrating how to cook frozen brats in the Instant Pot from the freezer to the table in less than 30 minutes. So let's cut to the kitchen.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I'm Larry of Larry Under Pressure, and today we're going to do a quick video that can save you some money and make things a little bit better. Things like bratwurst and ground beef and things like that that you buy at the grocery store, so many times I bring them home and I put them in the refrigerator, and then the next thing you know, I haven't used them, or I forgot about them, or it's been so long it's questionable if they're still good. So if I could have them frozen in the freezer, that would be great, but then when I get ready to use them, I can't use them right away because they're frozen. So this solves all of that. So what I'm going to show you how to do is we're going to just do 2 bratwurst. We could do 4 to 6 if we wanted, but these are frozen, and I'm going to try to get them out. There we go, we're getting them now. And we're going to put them on the rack, and we're going to do these in the Instant Pot. They can be done in an Instant Pot or any pressure cooker that you might have. So this relates to any of those. See if I can get this styrofoam off here that's stuck to it. There we go. I've got 2 of them on there. As I said, we can put several on there, and we're gonna now put them in the Instant Pot and start the cooking process. So let's move the camera over to the pot. We're ready now to get these in the pressure cooker. Let's open the cooker. And I've got 2 cups of water in there. I already poured in the 2 cups of tap water. We're going to put the rack with the bratwursts in the pot, close the lid, and we're going to make sure the valve is sealed to pressurize. Now, we're going to turn on the pot on pressure cook. And on these new Instant Pots, you can't choose if you're going to go low or high pressure. They default to high pressure, and that's okay. Hardly anybody ever uses the low pressure anyway. If we're doing frozen bratwurst, we want to pressure cook them for 20 minutes from frozen. If we're using thawed, non-frozen, we'll run it for 15 minutes. But since these are frozen, we're going to go for 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and set the timer for 20. There's our 20 minutes. We've got it set for 20 minutes on high pressure. We're going to press start and let them run. It's going to take probably 10 minutes for it to heat up to operating temperature. Once it heats up to pressure, it'll go for 20 minutes, and then we're going to do a rapid release, and I'll bring you back at that time. This has been on now for 7 minutes, and the pot just cut over to pressure. And you can see the timer's for 20. So we'll give it the 20 minutes, and once it finalizes the 20 minutes, we'll do a rapid release. There we go, our time is up. It's been total of 27 minutes, the time it took for it to get hot to begin with, and then get to the pressure temperature for 20 minutes. And so we're gonna do a rapid release now, and we'll see what they look like. Let's release the pressure now. I use these little diverters so it doesn't blow steam all over the ceiling, and we'll go ahead and open the valve. Let the pressure off. I'm turning the pot off. Once that pressure's off, we'll open the lid and see what they look like. Smells good. The house smells like bratwurst. We're coming down to 0. We'll take a look, and then we'll plate them up. Give them a taste. See what they look like. Of course, we've done them in the pressure cooker, so they're not going to be browned. And you eat with your eyes. If you can't eat them in the gray color they're going to be, you probably need to put them in the air fryer for just a minute or two. Let's open the top. There we go. Let me lay this top down. And we'll take a look at them. They look like they're done. I'm going to take them out and put them in a bun and plate them up, and we'll give them a taste. I'll be right back. Again, let me re-emphasize that the color of these is not the color that they'd be if we had done them in a air fryer or in the oven or some other place, because they don't get the broiling in the pressure cooker, but they're just as done and they'll taste just the same. So let's get them out of there. Put them in these buns. Get some mustard on them and give them a taste. Let me move the camera. Let's put a little mustard on those before we taste them. What's a bratwurst without mustard? And let's give them a taste. Very, very good. Those are delicious. They taste just like if you'd done them in the air fryer. Look good, taste good. They were done quickly. Remember, we started from frozen rather than starting them at a thawed state. And they're really good. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the video, as well as click on the notification icon, so as soon as I upload new videos, you'll be notified and you'll have the opportunity to look at them. Also, in the information following, there's an instruction sheet that'll tell you how to do this, that you can print out and keep for your reference, with the times necessary and the other information around this demonstration. Hope you've enjoyed it. We've enjoyed hosting it, and we'll see you on the next cook.
Thank you for visiting us for today's video. In the information below, you will find links to subscribe, like, share, and be notified when new videos are uploaded. Additionally, we've included instructions so that you can print them and have a reminder of how this is done. It's always good to host so many viewers, and we look forward to creating many, many more in the future. This has been a Larry Under Pressure production. We hope to see you for our future videos.